security is a critical issue for any organization to take care of. There are several standardizations that provide a framework to the organization. ISO 27001 is an information security standard which provides a stable framework for information security management system. It is published by the International Organization for Standardization, in other words ISO, and International Electrotechnical Commission, that is IEC. This ISO IEC 27001 standard specifies a management system that is intended to bring information security under management control and gives specific requirements. It describes how an organization can establish, implement, operate, monitor, review, maintain, and improve its ISM. This can be illustrated by the Plan, Do, Check Act. In short, we call it as PDCA model. This is shown in the figure here. What is that? Plan means establish ISMS. Do means implement and operate the ISMS. Check means monitor and review ISMS. And finally, act means maintain and improve ISMS. The PDCA cycle has certain actions to be carried out in each phase. They are described here. Under plan phase, there are certain guidelines given. They are: define the scope of the ISMS, define an ISMS policy, define the approach to risk assessment, identify the risk, assess the risk, identify and evaluate the options for the treatment of risk, select control objectives and controls. Finally, prepare a statement of applicability, that is SOA. Under the do phase, formulate the risk treatment plan, implement the risk treatment plan, implement security controls, implement training and awareness program, manage operations, manage resources, implement procedures to detect and respond to security incidents. In the third phase or in the third plan, check. Following are the ones ensured. Execute monitoring procedures. Undertake regular reviews of ISMS effectiveness. Review the level of residual and acceptable risk. Conduct internal ISMS audit. Undertake regular management review of ISMS. Record actions and events that have impact on ISMS. In the last plan, that is the ACT plan, following are done. Implement identified improvements. Take corrective or preventive action. Apply the lessons learned. Communicate the results to the interested parties. Finally, ensure improvements and achieve the objectives. We know PDCA has ensured certain things. They are what to do, how to do it, do what was planned, did things happen according to the plan, how to improve next time. In ISO 27001, to ensure all these standards, there are 133 security controls that are specified. And these security controls have to be implemented and operated in order to mitigate the risks. The security controls are mostly related to technologies. There are now 114 controls in class defined in 14 classes and 35 control categories. The 2005 standard had 133 controls in 11 groups. We'll try to list some of them. First, A5, Information Security Policies. There are 2 controls. Next, A6, Organization of Information Security. There are 7 controls. A7, Human Resource Security. 6 controls that are applied before, during and after employment. A8, Asset Management. There are 10 controls. A9, Access Control. There are 14 controls. A10, Cryptography. 2 controls. A11, Physical and Environmental Security. 15 controls. A12, Operations Security. 14 controls. A13, Communication Security. 7 controls. A14, System Acquisition, Development and Maintenance. 13 controls. A15, Supplier Relationships. 5 controls. A16, Information Security Incident Management. There are 7 controls. A17, Information Security Aspects of Business Continuity Management. There are 4 controls. Finally, A18, Compliance with internal requirements such as policies and with external requirements. Of course, they are very important such as laws. There are 8 controls under this category. With reference to William Stallings, the OSI security architecture acts as a guideline to managers for organizing the task in providing security. Furthermore, the ISO architecture is developed as an international standard. Computer and communication vendors have developed security features for their products and services related to this, and they have provided structured definition of services and security mechanisms. The OSI security architecture focuses on 3 important things. They are security attacks, security mechanisms, and security services.